guess it doesn't look that bad. That's what it was before. I'm gonna try and get some gas here.